Okay, folks, I'm sorry that that happened. I was right at the end, and I think that you see what was happening here. But let me go ahead and finish it for you. Remember, we were talking about the rate of change, right? You were parachuting out of an airplane, hopefully. I don't know what else you'd be parachuting out of. Okay? And you were dropping at, we figured out you were dropping 11 feet per second. Okay? Then the next question that they asked us was about when will you reach the ground? And this problem is like the example that we had done before, example 5, right, Sarah? Exactly. Good. Now, I'm going to go down here and we'll just talk about what we did a moment ago. What we did was we want to know when the height is going to be 0. So when is the time that I'm looking for? The height I want to be 0. When am I going to hit the ground? Hopefully safely and not hurt my ankles. Okay? Now to be able to do that, I know the slope. Remember, slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? So I filled in, I took one of the points from the graph, 0, 2500, and I did y minus y, that's here, y minus y, over x minus x, 0 minus t. Okay? Then I simplified it. 25 minus 0 gives me 2500. 0 minus t gives me negative t. Now, right, T? That's right. Now I've got a fraction that equals a fraction. And because I went to 6th grade, I know that when I have a fraction that equals a fraction, what can I do, Megan, when I have a fraction that equals a fraction? I can cross multiply. So negative t times negative 11 gives me positive 11t. 1 times 2500 gives me 2500. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 11 to find out what t needs to equal. And I'm going to get, and I'll use my calculator because they said about how long will it take us to hit the ground. This doesn't, it's not going to go into it evenly. I'm going to get that t is equal to 2500 divided by 11 is equal to 227.27 repeating seconds. Okay? That's almost 4 minutes from when I jumped out of the airplane to when I landed on the ground. Almost 4. It's about 13 seconds short. So 3 minutes, 47 seconds. All right? Okay. Nice job. We need algebra to be able to talk about science. We need algebra to be able to work calculus to describe the world that we live in. Okay, nice job. And hey, thanks to the 6th grade for helping me out. Nice job, 6th grade.